Stuck on where to start when creating new content? Try incorporating data into your ideation process to make it easier. Lots of people struggle to decide on a topic to cover. The need for content is clear, but actually choosing the right questions to answer feels like finding a needle in a haystack, and that's where keyword research comes in. It can give insight into what topics your audience is interested in, what other questions they have about it, and how much competition there is on the SERP. Understanding your audience's intent allows you to tailor your content to what's most relevant to your users. You can start understanding intent by asking yourself questions like, what questions are we trying to answer? Who is the target audience of the piece of content? And what stage in the buying journey is the reader on? Keyword research also helps you nail down other words your audience searches for related to your primary topic, surfacing opportunities to meet your customers' needs more holistically. And maybe most importantly, keyword research gives a snapshot of the competitive landscape of a query. With this, you can understand the content you're competing with for traffic and what you need to do to create superior content. So what data can we look at to source new content opportunities? Well, you can use your website's current rankings to guide your content strategy. In particular, keywords where you're ranking beyond the first 20 organic positions, or even beyond the first 100, are a good indication that search engines can't find relevant content on your website to answer users' queries on that subject. If these are topics that are important to your business, start here for your new content creation efforts. In Conductor, you can use your tracked keywords to mine content opportunities from low-ranking areas. If you're open to creating new content for any topic, you can use keyword groups to see clusters of keywords for which your website, on average, isn't ranking well. Layer data like aggregate monthly search volume to help you prioritize. Or, if you have a general idea of which topic you want to focus on, you can drill down to a specific group in keywords and use individual keyword rankings to find queries to target where you're missing relevant content to rank well. Identifying your competitors' strengths is another great way to find relevant, valuable opportunities to target with your own new content, especially if you can drill down to those topics for which your main competitor or competitors are highly visible in search and you are nowhere to be found. You can use Conductor's Explorer to peruse the keyword index for topics where your top competitor is generating a lot of organic traffic, or Conductor's rank comparisons to look for where multiple competitors are in top positions for keywords you track, but you are not. Not all customer queries are created equal, and the format of your content should adapt to be the best possible way to answer each question. You can use data on result types to support your new content creation efforts. For example, if you already have a content type in mind that you want to create, you can use tools like Conductor's result types to check for keywords where that result type appears. Alternatively, if you're starting with a specific topic in mind, you can use data on which result types are appearing for your query to help you plan what type of content to create. Lastly, get time on your side by analyzing fluctuations in demand. By understanding what topics peak and when, you can generate timely ideas for new content launches that set up your business for success right when most customers will be searching for answers to certain questions. Use free tools like Google Trends for on-demand topic analysis, or Conductor's Explorer to view both search seasonality with social trend data for any given topic. Or perform a multi-query analysis for a broader view of annual search demand trends. Conductor provides a free tool you can download from the Academy to help. Data is a great way to unlock opportunities for content creation, and incorporating data analysis into your ideation process can help you ensure that the topics you choose to cover yield valuable website traffic that ultimately drives conversions.